with the first keynote session of the event, I would like to invite on stage His Excellence Dr. Abdelrahman Almuaini, Assistant Undersecretary in the Ministry of Economy, to talk about the future of IP. Dr. Abdelrahman Almuaini.
Good morning. I think if we need to speak about future of IP, I think we need to use the technology to write our speech. What do you think? You know, everyone now using ChatGPT. So I decided it's not yet. I need to write my speech by my own self. This is the key area of creativity. I would like to express my gratitude to the organizer and the team is gathering here, each playing a vital role, of course, as my previous speaker was mentioning. It's a gathering information, it's a building networking, it's a discussing about one of the future, it's especially one of the future which is involving in building the human as well as building the creativity of the human, which is how we can protect this kind of, let's say, creativity through the different type of technology. Actually, especially I'm here to discuss the future of IP, intellectual property. By 21st century, the technology continues to redefine way of we create it, share, and protect our ideas. 2 days ago, I received, through my social media networking, one of the artists has created one of the Kulthum. She's a singer, a well-known singer in the Arabic world. And the idea to use her voice through an AI and to create a way of singing. So he used the technology and he used the idea or the sound of the artist to create a new content. This is new content. We need to be defined. We need to look for it. We need to understand it as well in our legal manner. This is why to consider AI and machine learning, which are driving the innovation, which is across various sectors in the UAE. UAE has a vision in AI, has a vision in blockchain, has a vision by 2031. So this is, we cannot hide from the technology. We as a policymaker, we as a lawmaker, we need to embrace, we need to take into consideration this kind of technology in order to make sure the creative of human exists and can be protected. These technology have already begun to transfer industry, including this heavy rely on IP. Because each industry, they rely on intellectual property. They rely on the protection of the human creation. With the AI ability to generate original contents, questions arise regarding the ownership and the protection of such a creation. As we embrace this cutting-edge technology, it is crucial to strike a balance between human creativity and acknowledgement AI-generated contribution within the framework of our intellectual property law. Of course, the UAE has begun at the front line of embracing this technology. As I mentioned in our strategic goal by 2031 with the AI strategy, and we have a minister involving and building the policy with the AI and the blockchain, such a blockchain, and recognize this potential to transform intellectual property management. Furthermore, the UAE understands the importance of striking a balance between rewarding innovation and promoting the share of knowledge for the greater good, of course. As an intellectual property law involved, the UAE is committed to find a way to encourage creativity, innovation, while ensuring that access to the knowledge is not unreasonably restricted. Of course, we are base-built economy, so transferring knowledge is a key to take this country further and further. So we need to make sure building a balance between the protection, the term of protection for the creator, and then the access for the public to access to this knowledge. The UAE actively support open source initiative, fostering collaboration platform, and encourage initiatives that bridge the gap between IPR, and the public interest. By doing so, we aim to shape the future that benefits society, of course, as a whole, nurturing an environment where innovation flourishes and continues to the process of sharing humanity. So the future of IP is bright. The future of IP and building this technology is really bright. And we as a country, as a policymaker, we embrace this technology. By embracing potential AI and blockchain, the system while addressing the challenge posed by the digital replication and cross-border collaboration. The UAE is the way of progressing further. We have amended our law, trademark, copyright, as well as a patent law, to embrace all these technology. We are not shying. We made sure that our law should be an agile, and this means it can be understood, so we don't need to change our law from time to time. Lastly, I would like to thank the organizer for inviting us here. I would like to thank everyone, and please make sure that the discussion about building intellectual property, the discussion about this discussion will help us as a policymaker, and then your recommendation, of course, will take into consideration to make sure that we can take it on board. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best.